Today, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT unable to load conversation. Start by making sure you are on the ChatGPT home screen. Look at the bottom left corner of the screen where you can see your profile name and picture. Click on it and then select Settings. Once the Settings panel opens, switch to the Data Controls tab. Here, you will see an option that says Export your data. Click on it. A confirmation box will appear showing you what data will be exported. Click Confirm Export. This will send a download link to your email, but don't worry, we don't actually need to use that link. Now, go back to the ChatGPT home screen, click on your profile again, and select Log Out. Once you are logged out, simply log back into your account. This simple process will fix the unable to load conversation error and get your chats working again. And that's how you fix ChatGPT unable to load conversation.